In question 3, a company hires technicians and artisans. On one job, 3 technicians and 2 artisans cost 9,000 shillings. On another job, 4 technicians and 1 artisan cost 9,500. We need the cost of hiring 2 technicians and 5 artisans. The trick with word problems like this is to turn them into equations. Let X be the cost of 1 technician and Y the cost of 1 artisan. Then the first job gives 3x plus 2y equals 9,000. Call that equation 1. The second gives 4x plus y equals 9,500. Equation 2. We have 2 equations and 2 unknowns, so let's solve them together. I'll eliminate y first. Equation 2 has just one y, so if I multiply the whole of equation 2 by 2, I get 8x plus 2y equals 19,000. Now both equations have 2y. Subtracting equation 1 removes the y's, leaving 5x equals 10,000. Dividing by 5, x is 2,000. So a technician costs 2,000 shillings. Now that we know x, we can find y. Put x equals 2,000 back into equation 2. 4 times 2,000 plus y equals 9,500. 4 times 2,000 is 8,000, so 8,000 plus y is 9,500. Taking 8,000 from both sides, y is 1,500. So an artisan costs 1,500 shillings. Finally, the question asks for 2 technicians and 5 artisans, which is 2x plus 5y. 2 times 2,000 is 4,000, and 5 times 1,500 is 7,500. Adding those gives 11,500. So hiring 2 technicians and 5 artisans costs 11,500 shillings. Well done. That's question 3 complete.